Bought a used Lenovo phone or tablet, but found it locked by Google during setup? This is a security feature on Lenovo and all Android devices to prevent unauthorized access after factory reset. In today's video, I'll show you several effective methods to remove FRP on Lenovo phones and tablets, and demonstrate the most reliable Lenovo FRP bypass solution in 2025. All screen recordings in this video were captured using Focus. Method 1. Remove FRP on Lenovo with Google credentials. If the Google account is yours and you simply forgot the password, power on your Lenovo phone or tablet after the factory reset. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. When the device asks for the Google account previously used, enter the correct email and password. Once verified, FRP will be automatically removed, and you can continue the setup process. Method 2. Bypass FRP on Lenovo with iMobie DroidKit. If the Google account isn't yours, you bought a second-hand Lenovo device, iMobie DroidKit is one of the best FRP removal tool for bypassing FRP lock on Lenovo FRP Bypass in 2025. It completely removes FRP lock in just a few clicks. Supports Lenovo phones and tablets running Android 6 to 15. Also supports Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Realme, etc. Free download DroidKit on your PC, and select the FRP bypass mode. Connect your Lenovo device with a USB cable and click on the Start button. The configuration file will be prepared for your Lenovo. Click the Start to Bypass button. Select your Lenovo system version and hit the Next button. Follow the instructions shown to put your Lenovo in recovery mode. Click Reset and click OK. After completing, it will start to bypass the FRP lock. Once completed, your Lenovo phone or tablet will restart without FRP lock. Congratulations! You now know the most effective methods to bypass FRP on Lenovo phones and tablets in 2025. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with others. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time.